Making a baler twine plaited rope. Handy for all sorts of things. It doesn't fray the same as a single thing of baler twine. It's a lot stronger, it looks prettier, and they make good, you can make all sorts out of them. Probably like horse bridles and dog leads, and but it likes to get tangled like this because it's so long. But it's very useful. You can use it for anything, just about. I can't really film this one-handed because I need two hands to plait the rope, but that's kind of what it looks like. I'm going to try and see if I can prop the camera up so you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't know if that's completely rubbish, but kind of rubbish, but anyway. Okay, I think I've got it, figured it out so you can see. So there you go, baler twine rope. Very handy for all sorts of things. And it's very therapeutic as well. You can just keep going and make lots of very handy ropes. Okay, I've gone on enough about this. Here's some finished ropes. Oh, fell off. Oh, there's one. See? Quite handy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We have some snow.